guys, welcome back. Today we are on our way to try some new food from Arby's. We even have coupons because the mom's with me. So moms are always good for, right? Coupons. And so we got some coupons in the mail. Well, she did get coupons in the mail, and it said that Arby's has a new and improved fish sandwich because it's a fish and cheddar, I believe, and it's a limited time offer. And they also have a new limited time macaroni and cheese, and it is white cheddar. I have a feeling these things are coming out because Easter's right around the corner, Lent's coming, fish sandwiches kind of thing. I know Arby's has a regular fish sandwich, but this said it's new and it's a limited time offer because it's a fish and cheddar is what they're calling it. I'm not sure if these macaroni and cheese, the white cheddar macaroni and cheese, has been out for a while, but on the coupons that we have that expires in like 5 days, it says it's new and it's a limited time. So we're gonna go and give it a try and see what we think and see if we like it. So I'm just inviting you along for the ride. Ooh, bumpity bump bump bump. We're all in the car. Mom's with me. I got Savannah with me, so I got some co-hosts, and we are driving to Arby's to try these nummies, and we will give you our honest review. So I will see you in a few. Hey, I didn't mean to rhyme, but I did. Isn't that cool? Okay guys, here we are. This is all new to me. I'm actually in a restaurant filming this. So, with our coupons, thanks to Mom, with our meals, we got to try the new, what was this, chocolate chip mint shake. Look at this thing. So we're free. And we got it for free because Mom had coupons. So this is the chocolate chip mint shake we're gonna try. I want to show you the sandwich. So this is the new improved Arby's fish sandwich, which is called a fish and cheddar. Okay, which I'm getting everywhere. And then the new thing they have too is the white cheddar mac and cheese.
And it's delicious.
Is it delicious? You already tried a bite? Wait. Okay, so put a straw in here, Vanna. Do you have one? Okay, so I'm going to do real quick. Whoa. We're shaking the table. Hold on, guys. I brought my little stand with me. Okay, so I'm going to try the mac and cheese real quick. You ready? It looks really good, guys. It's steamy. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
It's very good.
That's delicious. Here, Vanna, try. That's amazing. Okay, then we're gonna try the fish, which is pretty big patty. Look, it's a little hard to do, guys. I feel like I'm doing a mukbang.
Uh-oh, you gotta run your shirt.
I know, it's just falling everywhere. It's really, really messy. But we're gonna try. I'll get it. Okay, ready? First bite.
No napkin.
No napkins. Man, can you look at Mommy napkin? And not eat my cheddar? Bad idea to give it to me then. It needs salt.
Okay, I got salt.
Did you get salt?
Where is it?
I can't get you guys to stay. You don't want to stay with me. Look at my mouth.
I thought I did my salt.
You did get salt?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's amazing. Okay, so it's really good. Okay, and then on camera real quick, we're all going to taste this. So this is the new mint chocolate chip,
Here's salt.
which was free. Look how big this is. This was free because Mom had coupons. We're all gonna fight over that. Take a sip. Wait, let me turn. Wait, let me turn. Wait. I can turn. Look. Take a sip. Whoa, that's really minty. How is it though? Good. Here, we'll let Mom get one.
Oh yeah.
How's that?
That's good.
That's some good stuff. And it was free. And then what are you trying new today too, Mom? Oh, you've never had
I never had
their
their
Reuben
or this.
or their apple turnover.
Their apple turnover.
What'd you think of the mac and cheese though?
Oh, I think this is awesome.
The white
Really
cheddar.
good. Really, really good.
What?
Mac and cheese.
The mac and cheese?
I'm gonna fight you for it.
So you like the mac and cheese?
Uh-huh.
What'd you think, Fana?
It was good.
The mac and cheese?
And this is the bomb.
Yeah. The drink is awesome.
Mm-hmm.
So you like the mac and cheese? Okay, guys. So I think it is unanimous. I know I keep moving you, but I wanted you to get everybody's opinion. I think it's unanimous that the mac and cheese. And look, there's a good amount in here. This white cheddar. Like I said in the car, I'm not sure how new this is. The coupon says new, and it says it's a limited time. It is really creamy. And really, really good. One more bite of this fish sandwich to get another really good bite. See it? Nice flaky white fish, cheese. And I don't usually get fish sandwiches out, so because I'm from New Jersey, so I'm a little spoiled when it comes to like seafood. It has to be really, really good. So I don't buy a lot of fish stuff out. But to try.
Did you get napkins in it?
Mm-hmm. Oh, just enough for me.
Oh,
Go get more
we
sweetie.
need more, please.
Mm-hmm. It's doable. It's not something that I would order all the time. Like I said, I don't eat a lot of fish out. But for a fish sandwich, as far as fish sandwiches go, it's very good. And the cheese is nice. It's much better than like, you know, like when you go to certain stores, I'm not going to say. And when you get the fish sandwich, you get like that hard, like American cheese slice. That's much better because it's creamy and it's like cheddar.
It's melted.
It's melted, so that's much, much better. The only thing I think I would add to this, which I didn't because I got just the sandwich, is I would add tartar sauce to this and a little bit of salt, and I think it would be absolutely delicious. So that is our review for their mint chocolate chip shake, which we got free.
Mm-hmm.
And our white cheddar, our white cheddar mac and cheese, and the Arby's fish and cheddar. Big thumbs up. How you like your Reuben, Mom?
I liked it.
You like the Reuben? You like it?
Very, very good.
And you like the,
And there's lots of meat.
and we turn you around.
Look at all the meat on this. It's delicious.
And that's the first
Great
time you've had
sauce,
that here,
yeah.
right? Yeah. You like it?
Delicious, yeah.
And you like the mac and cheese?
Yeah, but I haven't tried that yet.
The
but it's
turnover.
good.
All right, we'll come back because Mom's never had this stuff before. She's not big on Arby's, but I told her how good it was, so she tried it. And then what'd you get, Vanna? You got your turkey
Gyro.
gyro. How'd you like that? Pretty good. I know these things were on the menu, but it's kind of new to us. But I wanted to try these new limited edition things. So we'll come back at the end to see how Mom likes her apple turnover. But so far, everything is a yes.
Yes.
Okay, we're back real quick because Mom's trying the apple turnover. She's never had one from here.
It's delicious. Full of apples. It's real flaky. It has that icing on the top. It's delicious. Very good.
So I think our Arby's experience was very, very good this trip. I know some of these things that they tried have been on the menu for a while, but it's new to them. But the fish sandwich and the macaroni cheese is a big hit. And I have a feeling it's probably just going to be here till Lent and gone. So it's really, really good. My personal opinion, though, is it just needed salt. And I like pickles, so after I was eating it, I was like, it's probably really good with pickles. But on its own, it's still good. I ate every bite. It was delicious. And we're fighting over the last little bit of macaroni and cheese here. And their shake, this little bad boy, is the perfect dessert. This is like something you would get from Starbucks. That's how good this is. No lie. So, our Arby's review today is 2 big thumbs up. I would give all of this experience an 8 out of 10. So, I will see you in the next review. Who knows what we'll be doing, but we'll see you then. As always, take care of you. Do what you love and do it large, and I'll be talking to you in the next video. Bye, lovies. See you later.